So I got this PC here for free a while ago, and it's been sitting in my garage untouched for now half a year or something. I did not plan on using it or making a video about it anytime soon, but now that the government has told us to stay at home because of the coronavirus, I thought, what else do I have to do on a Saturday evening? So yeah, let's see what this is. From the looks of it, this is a pretty old system. Looks like mid-90s. Looks pretty generic from the front, but you can see that it is quite old when you take a look at the ports. We got a really freaking dusty power supply, and then we have all of those ports. As you see, we got a printer port, a VGA, a serial. I'm not really sure what that is. Maybe also some sort of serial. Then we got all of this, which is I guess audio stuff, and that one down there, which I also don't know what that is, but I've seen it. So yeah, keyboard is here. That's the original keyboard. Keyboard and computer are both really filthy, and I can kind of guess what we got here. We got 2 times 16 megabytes Hitachi, maybe that's the RAM or something. Seagate 1.7 gigabytes is probably the hard disk. And it was bought at MediaMarkt. Yes. So why don't we, before we power this guy on, take a look at the inside and see how it looks like. From the looks of it, it's got one of these cases where the whole thing comes off. Yeah, I'll just unscrew all of those and take a look. So, all the screws are removed. It's a little warped. And here we are. That is a power supply right there. Gefahrenzone. Hazardous area. So I'm seeing something super awesome right there. Look at that, that's a Cyrix x86. So it's not an Intel, not an AMD, it's a Cyrix. That is so cool. I've never owned a Cyrix processor before. So from the looks of it, Cyrix, that is something really old right there. And if I'm not completely mistaken, I think Cyrix had at one point something to do with IBM or so. Not really good with their history, but I know that they've got something to do with IBM. We can also see that the chips are pretty darn big, so freaking crazy how time has moved on. I've got here, for example, a laptop motherboard. Well, actually 2. Show that one. And look at all the chips on that one. Probably they're even smaller on completely new machines, but take a look at the, for example here, all of those. And now take a look at this one, this guy right there. Freaking awesome. You can probably take that out easily. Capacitors, let's take a look, because they're old and maybe they're faulty, but apart from them being pretty darn small and cute, I don't see a lot wrong with them. I mean, I'm no expert with capacitors, but I know that if they're bulged, then that's not good. Shine a light in there. It's pretty tidied up. I hope I don't have to mess with this too much, because it would be cool if it worked. Hard drive is right there. We got a, looks to me like a CD drive. CD drive, yep, CD-ROM drive. The cute little fan for the CPU. I wonder what socket that is. It's saying it right there, socket 7, I guess. Wait a minute. Let's clean that shit off here. Oh yeah, socket 7. That is so cool. I've got another socket 7 system right there. That's a Pentium 1, so they're about the same age. Only that this one is a Cyrix, at least from the fan here. We get here the Energy Star logo for the BIOS. And yeah, RAM. Well, looks all pretty nice. We got some sort of graphics card in here. Can I make out it's a 3D Rage 2? I don't know. I don't know too much about these old systems, but I'm very willing to learn. Some expansion card slot, audio card. Yeah. Why don't we plug this in and power it on and see if it works? Oh well. That is one broken fan. Perfecting the PC. 133 megahertz. Could that be? Damn, that fan is loud. This fan is very much on its way out. Okay, well, never mind. Now that it's started moving, it smoothed out a bit. Probably hasn't moved in years. We've got here this Microsoft Serial mouse, which of all places is made in Mexico. Let's see if it does something. .32 mags all here. Found the CD-ROM. It also ejects. Continue. Let's see what this guy has to show us here. Windows 95. Oh yeah. Ha! That's cool. This clunky old drive is still working. Oh no, Windows wasn't shut down properly. Let's run Windows Scan Disk. Microsoft Scan Disk, I'm sorry. You just missed the Windows 95 boot screen. Oh no! We've got no mouse. You can now connect a serial mouse. To connect a PS2 mouse, you have to turn off the computer first. Well, since we don't have a PS2 port, we will go with the mighty non-PS2 mouse, serial mouse. So yeah, let's unwrap that. Hasn't been unwrapped in, well, maybe if ever, I don't know, guys. Could be that this is factory this way. Just try to hit OK here with a keyboard. Oh well, I was wrong. It actually has. Look at that. We got a mouse. And Norton Antivirus doing something down there. Monitor driver, it's looking for monitor driver. Well, this Dell here, well, it is by no means a modern display. It's probably very modern for Windows 95. PCI Universal Serial Bus. I don't see a USB anywhere. Or am I just too stupid? But I don't see it. Okay. Just press OK there. Yeah, let's just go back to the 90s. Whoa. Who was using that? Weird setup there, right? Here, the taskbar, and yeah. So there we go, guys. We successfully booted it. Still loading a bunch of stuff, so you can hear it freaking out. Oh, what is it loading there? What is that? blank error message. Well, I moved it on the top, but I wanted originally to move it on the bottom. Oh no! Oh no, registry error. Please close everything and reboot Windows. Oh no, that doesn't look good. That looks pretty bad. I can't troll it, I need to reboot it. Yeah. Let's reboot it then. This is very retro. With Microsoft Internet Explorer, holy crap. And we're back. Oh dear. We've got a pretty screwed up installation here. Keeps coming up with this error here. Who doesn't know this Windows error here? Where you can drag the windows and it's copying them all the time. I'll just leave that. Let's see what we got here. So right click on my computer. Cyrix instead. So we've got a Cyrix processor. A Cyrix instead. Yeah, nothing. No Intel, we've got a Cyrix instead. Ha 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 ha. Alright, Windows 95. It's got a missing driver of this sound device here. You get a Rage Pro Turbo HEP graphics card. What is that even? Like, I don't know, guys. Microsoft Outlook, holy crap, I think I remember this version even. Like back in the XP days, we had that. It had at least the same icon, probably this is an even older version. Yeah. Well, not a lot older. Outlook Express 5, wow. That's some old school stuff right there. Didn't see it, a LAN port anywhere. Probably use dial-up. Yeah, I remember this version in our Windows XP machine we had in the early 2000s, like our first computer in the house, we had the same version, for sure. It's got some stuff here, but it's not really all that interesting. Let's see if it has some interesting programs. We've got Microsoft PowerPoint with the old Word version. It's probably like Office 90 something. 97, okay. And it still works. Wow. Yeah, that is really something awesome right there. I mean, it's not my only Windows 95 machine with its OG install. I also have that one Dell that I restored. But this one has way more software on it, which makes it even cooler. So yeah, an old Word version. Some internet links, Excel, CorelDRAW. Oh, it wasn't found. Oh, that would have been something cool. Coral texture. Well, I don't know what that is. I know what CorelDRAW is. And this doesn't work, unfortunately, so... Yeah, whoa, we got a whole lot of stuff. CorelDRAW 6. Oh, this one probably works. 1996. Wow. Yeah, there we go. CorelDRAW from the 90s. Yeah, I have no idea what I'm doing. See how much space we have. 1.58 gigs, and we got only 247 megabytes free, so quite some stuff used up here. See what version that is. 5.5, that's a freaking updated version for Windows 95. Pretty cool. I would even say it's probably one of the last versions that run on 95. Rated von Super, that's like a... Look at that, there's the dial-up modem connection thing. Well, no, I'm sorry, we don't have that. So it cached a very old website here. Top news from 2006. Wow, would you look at that? It cached a website from 2006. Look at that, that's like a time capsule right there. Wow, Networld. Does this website still exist? Gotta check that. Well, what is all it is? If you're Austrian, you know this show. It's like crazy stuff. There's Michael Jackson right there. Oh no, somebody was stabbed. What? Wow, this is crazy. Like all of these old news. Robbie Williams. Whoa, 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 whoa. What is... Whoa, okay, well, we'll just skip over all of this here. Whoa, okay, wait, well, what the hell is this website? It's like 50% just porn stuff down there. I'm just curious, did it cache something? If I click here? No, alright. Oh, that's a shame. But yeah, it cached this whole website almost perfectly. Like, no dead links, no missing nothing. Wow. Okay. Now that we know that, let's see if we can find something. Let's go in the editor and check the keyboard out. What keys still work? Oh, doesn't start good. Wait, the quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog. So that didn't go all that well. The QC Pro Fox pad over the lay dog. Yeah, there's some that are not working. Yeah, apart from all of this, I know that there's some personal files I've seen before. Obviously, we're not gonna check out those. But yeah, apart from that, we got quite a lot of stuff. And a working computer, which is very, very cool. So, I guess thanks for watching. Maybe we'll install something on it, or not.